Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.